Wow, rock walls are really cool. And that's just one of the fun things that you can add to your rainbow. You can pick from all kinds of slides and swings and ladders and rock walls. That's the cool thing about a rainbow. You can pick whatever you want to make sure that yours is really unique. But how do they get all of these things to fit together so perfectly? And where do all these parts and pieces come from? Let me show you how they build a rainbow. It all starts in South Dakota at Rainbow's huge headquarters, where the front entrance looks like a castle. At the back of the factory, the whole process begins with delivery of the most important part of any rainbow, wood. Lots and lots of wood. Forklifts load and stack the wood inside Rainbow's giant factory for sorting and drying. Once the wood is dried, it's ready for a trip through the huge saw system. First, wood is planed or rounded on all four sides for a smooth finish. Then it goes through a scanner that takes a picture of the wood to spot any defects. A computer decides the best way to cut the wood to get the most use out of it. Finally, boards are cut at different lengths depending on what they will be used for later. These machines are fast. Right now they're running at 150 feet per minute. These machines need to be fast. Every year, Rainbow uses millions and millions of board feet of lumber to build play sets for families all across America. Once wood is graded, cut, and planed, it's bundled into common lengths with the help of a computer that keeps track of everything. Forklifts take the wood to different places in the factory where it's needed, like this load on its way to have holes drilled. 100 boards at a time are fed into a special machine with over 20 automated drill heads. That's drilling more than 20 holes at once. After wood parts have been drilled to exact specifications, a forklift takes the wood to be assembled. Here, we're on our way to deck assembly, where this unique machine is putting a whole bunch of screws into a King Kong deck all at once. You can imagine how many millions of screws are used to build rainbow play systems each year. Once decks are assembled, they are put on a conveyor along with other parts and boards to go through a unique 10-stage water seal process to help protect the wood. First, wood is cleaned with high-pressure air, preheated, then sent through the water seal process. The protection from the water seal process is baked into the wood. Everything goes through twice, once on each side. After the wood cools, it's loaded and then off to the next stage of assembly. There are thousands of parts and pieces, big and small, that all come together to make every rainbow fun and safe. Like these hooks to hold swings, and these specially coated safety handles and chains. Everything is designed to precisely fit together. Take, for example, these climbing ladders. Hydraulic pressure puts together parts to create a ladder tough enough for the whole neighborhood to climb on. Once assembled, ladders are sent off to storage along with all the other unique parts and pieces that make up a rainbow play system. Cargo ladders, slides, tire swings, and hundreds of other fun parts wait here in the warehouse until they're ordered. With hundreds of models and options to choose from, there's a lot to keep track of. Like enough tire swings to put tires on over 4,000 cars and over 60 miles of scoop slides and crawl tunnels. But believe it or not, all these parts magically come together to create your very own unique rainbow. When you choose a model and the options you want for your rainbow, they're picked up from storage and loaded onto a big truck for delivery. Rainbow forklifts traveling back and forth throughout the factory put on as many miles as a trip around the world in just 1 year. That comes from loading an average of 16 miles worth of truck trailers a year. That's a lot of trucks loaded with a lot of play systems. Once everything is loaded, it's off to your Rainbow Factory Direct showroom for professional delivery and installation. Loaded with hundreds of parts and pieces, a certified Rainbow installation crew gets to work. So sit back and relax. An experienced Rainbow crew can assemble a Rainbow Play System in less than half a day. Thanks to careful design, planning, manufacturing, delivery, and installation, everything fits together perfectly. So, there you have it, from tree to rainbow, and all the parts and pieces in between. A quick look at how your Rainbow Play System is made. Well, now I have to test this slide, so we'll see you later. Woohoo!